Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Omar with Tech Guy Smart Buy. And as you can guess, today we're going to be testing microphones. One microphone we're going to take a look at in particular is Blue Design's Ember microphone. The Ember microphone is primarily aimed and designed for podcasters, YouTubers, musicians who want to record vocals and instrumental tracks at a low cost but want great quality and great sound. So quick disclosure, the entirety of this video will be shot using the Ember microphone as audio. So at times I will drift away from the microphone subconsciously, not because I want to, because I'm not used to having to stay a certain distance. Usually when I do these videos, I either have a lav or a boom mic pointed at me so I can speak and move around without worrying about drifting away from sound. So today we're going to compare the Blue Design's Ember microphone to two other microphones that I've used in the past. Now one of them I've used a lot actually over last year, and we used it for the Tech Guys podcast. This is the Samsung Go mic. This is a very compact, lightweight, very travel friendly, and it has two directions. Omnidirectional, which you can actually sit here on this side and speak and only capture this side of the microphone. And you can do bidirectional where you have back and front. And what this does is if you have a guest and you only have one mic, you can have him or her on the other side of the microphone and capture them perfectly well. The third mic we're going to be comparing to is a very generic microphone that many of us have probably already seen or even used. This you can either find on Amazon or eBay for maybe $40. It comes with the microphone, the shock mount, the arm, and the clamp that connects it to the desk. You connect it to any mixer that has XLR and phantom power, and go ahead and start recording directly into your computer or to a recorder. Another note is I'm not going to edit the audio in any way. I'm not going to throw any filters, any equalizers, any compressors, anything. We're basically testing the microphones. We're going to make sure that all the levels are the same on the mixer. You want to be able to use a microphone that you can pull out of your bag, set up, and go without having to learn an audio engineering degree. So we're not going to do anything in post. We're just going to record the sound as pristine and clear as possible and see which one does a better job of capturing audio. So let's get started and see what you think. Rehabilitated? Well, now let me see. I don't have any idea what that word means. I know what you think it means. To me, it's just a made-up word, a politician's word. Young fella like yourself can wear a suit and tie and have a job. What do you really want to know? Am I sorry for what I did? There's not a day goes by I don't feel regret. Not because I'm in here, because you think I should. Yeah, here we go. Rehabilitated? Well, now, let me see. I don't have any idea what that means. I know what you think it means. To me, it's just a made-up word. Politician's word. Young fella like yourself can wear a suit and tie and have a job. What do you really want to know? That I'm sorry for what I did? There's not a day goes by I don't feel regret. Not because I'm in here, because you think I should. Rehabilitated? Well, now let me see. I don't have any idea what that means. I know what you think it means. To me, it's just a made-up word, a politician's word. Young fella like yourself can wear a suit and tie and have a job. What do you really want to know? Am I sorry for what I did? There's not a day goes by I don't feel regret. Hope this video gave you a better idea of the capabilities of the Ember microphone. The concept and design of this microphone is seen in two places. The ultra compact size allows you to put this microphone just about anywhere, and you can even hold it handheld if you'd like. Second is the pickup pattern. The pickup pattern on this microphone only allows you to record anything that's in front of the mic, not behind it, which is great if you are a podcaster or a live streamer, because it kind of tends to block or minimize the noise around you and only concentrate on what's directly in front of the microphone. So let's talk about it. Who is this microphone really for? Well, Our target audience is live streamers, podcasters, musicians who want to record vocal, instrumental, anybody who wants to get any kind of form of broadcasting and wants a great sounding mic with great quality for a very low price that won't break the bank. This microphone is listed at $99, and some might call it an entry-level microphone, but it is far from that. The quality and build, just by looking at it and holding it in your hands and actually recording on it, you can tell that you're paying for a lot more than you get. And because of its small, compact design, this microphone is made for you to travel with. It is sleek and small enough to fit in any corner of any small stage or any small studio, and is not cumbersome and needs too much to get started. So if you're in the market for something low price that gives you great quality and more money than you're paying for it, this is something you should consider. We want to thank Blue Design for sending us the Ember microphone so we can test and play around with. It is a great sounding microphone. You guys did an amazing job. Small, compact, for $100, you really can't beat the price for the quality that you're getting. And if you guys are interested on the Ember microphone, there's going to be a link below. Also, if you have any comments or anything, leave them in the comment section. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in, giving us a few minutes of your time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and like always, my name is Omar with Tech Guy Smart Buy. Till next time, peace.